bike. I rode his bike. It was a 17. So it was the MT-09, 17. It was right when they changed the naming, the nomenclature.
Yeah.
I rode it. 10 minutes into it, I said, "That's it. I gotta get.
Gotta have one." Yeah.
I went. I traded my Harley.
Vince, nobody would believe. Less than 2 weeks ago, he paid $500 for this bike. 500. Did you polish it up?
Nah.
You clean the wheels?
I cleaned it.
Oh my God.
Dirty again because I drive it every day.
Oh, don't drive it. Quit your job. Go on a protest. Now it's a little cleaner than last week. All right. See that Luciano? He polished his pipes up. He polished his pipes up.
Sometimes you have to shame these people into doing these things.
Oh, looks like, I know, they're all here today. Uh-oh. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da.
I all want you all to know Wendy's an asshole.
That will not be edited out.
We never edit out our fan club videos. Our fans are everywhere.
What a beautiful day this turned out to be. Of course, our fan club here leaves a lot to be desired. Oh, come on. Come on, sign up for my fan club. No. Oh, they're all here. They're ganging up on me.
They all gang up on Wendy. It's amazing.
So all the great MotoGP riders of days gone by are here. And those days are really gone. Hey! Who wants to challenge Luciano on 106? He just made a run up 106. Set the world's record.
I did it 3 times.
Not at the speed he went. Even he didn't go at the speed he went.
Yeah.
A couple of years from now, every one of these people will be in a nursing home.
Now you got an MT-09 too. Where's your?
I sure do. Mine's in the garage, waiting to be ready.
Isn't it fun to ride?
It's the best bike I own. It's the best bike.
You know what Luciano said? Take all the other bikes, have a fire sale. Set them on fire. There's the baby.
I thought you had a 10.
No, I have an 09.
Oh.
What year? What year?
Mine is 18 or 19.
This is a 20, but they're the same. It's not much.
Yeah. I have the one, the gray, the matte gray with the funny green yellow.
Oh, so what? Sure.
I love it.
That doesn't matter.
I bought the last one in the country in that color. Yeah.
This is his butt, because I was jealous of his triple, and I didn't have a triple since 1972. So Jerry said if I was a real man, I'd buy a triple. And he has white. Look at the white pants. Look at
the temperature goes down 10 degrees, and you bring out your black. What are you doing?
I buy white pants in 2 days. I look like I'm homeless. Jerry, they're 4 years old. They look brand new.
I like what you did with the wheels. Polished it out, man.
They polish up easy, but don't overdo it.
Yeah.
Jerry washes his pants every time he rides the bike. That's true.
Out on the island.
Yeah, on the island.
But he has a 10.
He doesn't have a 10. He has a 10. He has an 09 also. He has a 1709.
But you know what? If I was Yamaha, I would make a test ride every day.
You're absolutely right.
Because you ride one, and in 10 minutes, your checkbook is out. How much are they?
I rode the bike. I rode his bike. It was a 17. So it was the MT-09, 17. It was right when they changed the naming, the nomenclature.
Yeah.
I rode it. 10 minutes into it, I said, "That's it. I gotta get.
Gotta have one." Yeah.
I went. I traded my Harley, dead even, and I got the MT-09.
You traded a Harley for an
MT-09.
He's a real man.
Yeah,
Holy shit.
Oh, I can understand that.
And I'm like, that's it. And the best part about this bike is the engine. It's the best triple out of the Triumph and the other one. The best.
You know what? You can't explain to people how much fun it is because it's bottomless.
It's bottomless.
It's bottomless.
Correct.
Not like I got an R1. You know, I rode with you with the fast bikes.
That's right.
this is more fun to ride than the R1.
Without a doubt.
Now, I just chased him up 106.
Right.
It's more fun on 106 than any R1 ride.
100%. It's like a bicycle. I mean,
Yeah, it's like a bicycle. It's like an RD with 3 engines.
Exactly. That's it.
That was a paid endorsement. That cost me a pizza pie, you know.
You saw the video on polishing the wheels?
I did.
Yeah, the only thing you can do wrong, don't overdo it.
I also saw the video of the Eliminator.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah. That's the way it ought to be.
They don't tell you, you know, the part they don't tell you, the guys make the video and they don't tell you got to modify the belly pan. This goes right where you just got to cut the end off the belly pan.
Okay.
I put it on my video though. I don't fool around. No.
The best part about this bike, and I'll say it publicly, is when you're riding behind a bike like this, you have this bouncing. This comical, awesome bouncing.
Doesn't bother me at all.
No.
In fact, if it makes Luciano crazy, I'll leave it on the bike.
I like it.
What that really means is I'm in front of you. You got to catch me.
Jerry, 2 weeks ago, this was a rust bucket.
Really?
Honest to God, he did a wonderful job, didn't he?
I had this bike.
That's unbelievable.
Did you paint it? Did you?
No, he painted it. He knows how to paint.
Congratulations to Luciano. Wow.
Years ago. This is a nice bike.
This thing is nice, I tell you.
Yeah. A lot of power.
It really is an amazing restoration. He did it in 2 weeks, too.
Can't you put your stuff on the ground so I can get decent pictures of this bike? How's it doing? Is it good? How many miles?
About 5,800.
58? Wow.
Pokey uses his bike for a clothes rack. Amazing. This was a great day at the nursing home. Nursing home parking lot.
And Jerry's Triumph, the best dressed man. Could be a GQ model. Maybe he is. We don't even know it.
I put risers on it.
I know. I got that on the video last week.
Yeah.
That is a nice, clean Triumph.
I like
Believe
this
it.
Triumph, believe it or not.
Believe
It's a
me.
nice bike.
How many cc's is this? 900?
No, 800.
800. Oh, it's smaller.
Well, this
Wow.
is a 16.
Oh, no wonder I could possibly not have seen that. It's only an inch high.
I can't believe how the risers change the feel of the bike.
Changes the whole bike.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Changes the whole bike.
And they're not really that high. I mean,
I put risers on the green Kawasaki, changed the whole bike.
yeah.
Boy, risers really do change a whole bike. 1 inch changes a whole bike. And a different seat changes the whole bike, too. A beautiful Ducati. That's a beautiful Multistrada.
Wow, all the superstars are here now. Vince.
Oh, Vince.
I wanted to see your new bike.
All the supers. Take it for a ride.
Hey, turn your lights off on the bottom there. Thank you.
Take care, Jeff.
There, what is this, blue bike day? Everybody's got a blue bike.
Who doesn't like blue on a motorcycle?
So what's the Vince report? How's your dad?
Same old. Dad's
Good,
95 now.
God bless him.
His birthday's right before mine, and
it's
somebody
a
put out on the internet that Wendy just turned 95. I think it was you.
Yeah, we switched dates.
Yeah.
My dad's now 70.
I like when he came over the house, he wanted to see that model railroad
Oh, yeah,
upstairs.
he loves
Oh
it.
man, that was cool.
He loves it.
Cool guy.
Boy, what a
Tell him I said hi.
I am not 95. I am 75, for anybody who wants to know.
Oh my God, that's a
Vince, nobody would believe. Less than 2 weeks ago, he paid $500 for this bike. 500.
You ever see that
The best $500 bike in the States.
He's got an
Oh man.
He's got a
2 weeks later, it's
42,000
restored.
miles on it.
Got to polish those pipes.
42? Oh, you can put a 1 in front of that. Yeah. This thing will run forever. Nice.
I don't think the kid abused it either. It looks like it's in nice shape.
Yeah. Maybe next time you have the tank, I'll spray these guys.
Yeah, that's
Just
Luciano really did get that bike for $500 too. He really did.
or pipe. You know?
no, that's $229.
No.
Yes.
Oh, just for
right
this.
there.
Just for that.
How much was that? Luciano, 200 with the mid pipe?
Really? Huh.
And it's
That is a really nice $500 bike. I got to admit it. Actually, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, you got
Really looks good in real life too.
in gear.
Watch, it's not in gear. Oh, here we go. He's gonna run Windy over. There goes Windy. Yeah, the late Windy.
Yeah, really.
This doesn't look good.
That's a nice color, boy. Oh, listen to that. Boy, it didn't even go for a full turn. It started right off.
Amazing. $500 motorcycle.
So Luciano really stole the show today. I have to give him credit. He's a showstopper.
I gotta give Luciano credit. That is a nice restoration. And that is a keeper bike, that's for sure.
And there were some other cool bikes showed up this day. more coming.
Luciano, we bought the bike. Who's this? Does anybody know?
Like, I don't know.
Is that Vlad? Nah, it's not Vlad. Maybe it is Vlad. It is Vlad. Hey! Hey! What's up?
You're gonna be here.
You knew I'd be here on a day like today. Luciano just set the lap record on 106. Hey!
I'm okay, yeah.
Looks good, boy. Boy, I tell you, that carbon makes all the difference in the world, huh? Look, there's a bug on that carbon. Hey, give me the rag. Look at that. You know how long it took me to buff that out? Holy.
this?
Yeah, of course. What, are you kidding me?
Yeah, he clear coated.
We made this so beautiful. Look at the fat. Look at a hugger. Look at that. Look at his pieces. My God.
Incredible. All his
Oh.
job. All his work.
He's a good man. I don't care what Luciano says about him. It looks good. Hey, looks good, Vlad.
It's nice. Nice and clean. Yeah. Looks good.
And if you're not old yet, this is what you have to look forward to, days like this.
What a day this turned out to be. And it seems like tomorrow should be even better. Look at that sky, not a cloud in the sky. What a day. And congratulations to Luciano on a great restoration.
And congratulations to Vlad on that bike really came out great too. That's another 8-team effort right there.
So what we decided, we're going to have a little group ride. We're going to head up to the Mudna area. And boy, it looks like such a great day. Take a little ride up there and probably stop back here on the way back.
It really was a spectacular day. Hope you enjoyed the video.